Okay, model of the heart. Okay, we are looking for the atriums, the right versus the left. So we're looking for the right atrium. Right atrium would be this area. So if you open it up, this is the right atrium. And the left atrium is right here. Okay. Auricles, where's the auricles? The left and the right auricles.
It covers. Is it on here?
Yeah. The auricles are the ear-like flap. It would be the right auricle and the left auricle. Okay. The ventricular right and left. It's this. This would be the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Superior vena cava. Superior vena cava would be here. This is deoxygenated blood going into the right atrium. Inferior vena cava is right here. That's also going into the right atrium. So it'll be coming here. Alright. We're going off the labs, our lab sheet. So now we're looking for the pulmonary trunk. And the pulmonary trunk is right here. Okay. We'll close this up again because we're going to be looking for the anterior interventricular sulcus. And the anterior, the front of the heart, is this. Anterior interventricular sulcus. And the posterior, you can't really tell from this model, but it's in the back. Just look, it's similar to the front, but it's posterior. Alright, so now we're going to go inside the heart. The interventricular septum is this, that separates the right and left ventricles. Okay, the right atrial ventricular valve, also known as tricuspid, is this, in the right ventricle. All right, the pulmonary valve leaves the right ventricle, sorry, going to the pulmonary valves right here, and those right here is the semilunar or / pulmonary valve. The left atrial ventricular valve is this, also known as the mitral or the bicuspid. The aortic semilunar valve is, closes up, gives it the notion. Okay, so the aortic valve will be leaving the left ventricle, going up into right here, goes through here, the oxygenated blood going into here, and you would see this right here. That's the aortic semilunar valve. Okay, the papillary muscle. The papillary muscle is, this model doesn't really have it, but what you would see is that you'll see like a little hump that comes up like this, and also right here. What's attached to that papillary muscle is the chordae tendineae. These are the chordae tendineae that's connected to the papillary muscle. This prevents the tricuspid and the bicuspid from backflow, going back into the atrium. Okay, the trabeculae carneae are these irregular folds. What I looked in Wikipedia is saying is that if the heart contracts, and it shuts like that. If it was super smooth, it would have a hard time trying to open up. That's why they have this irregular fold, so it could just open up. If you know, so the myocardium is the heart muscle itself. Endocardium is the layer inside the chambers, inside the heart. Alright, and that covers the heart on our lab.